My name is Ramneet. I am a registered nurse. I came to Australia in February 2019.
Here to inquire about PTE and NAATI. And do you provide free classes?
Yeah, we actually have a free trial class for PTE, which is actually starting in 5 minutes. Would you like to join that?
Yeah, I want to take specially for speaking.
Yeah, so we have the speaking class going on today, so you can definitely join that. Okay, just come with me, I'll take you to the class.
Sure.
I took the free trial class with team and then I registered on the same day and started my PTE journey with Language Academy. I wanted to make sure that I get my desired score in a timely manner.
I think PTE वाले तो मुझे स्कोर देना ही नहीं चाहते। I think PTE वाले तो मुझे स्कोर देना ही नहीं चाहते। I think PTE वाले तो मुझे स्कोर देना ही नहीं चाहते। इसमें तो मेरा स्कोर ही बिल्कुल डाउन चला गया।
Nothing by 1 or 2 points.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So, if your scores are going down, there's definitely a reason. So, I'm here, I'll help you out to find the reason why you're lacking.
In lab sessions, I'm feeling confident in my speaking section, but I think I'm lacking in some of my spoken text for the listening. So, can you help me out where I'm lacking?
Yeah, of course. So, I've looked at your answer and I can see that you haven't chosen the right keywords. So, that's probably why you are lacking in summarized spoken text. So, what you need to do is, while you're taking your notes, you need to take down the correct keywords.
I got my score! That's my score! Finally, I got my desired score. That's A6 in PTE.